What's going on, guys? TechEd here, back at it with another video. In this video we will be talking about Amuse and their free music distribution service. Alright, so before we get started into the Amuse process and what Amuse looks like in the inside, once you create an account and everything, I'm gonna first show you just what the website offers, what Amuse offers for you. This is all done on the website. Amuse does have an app, like you can see here on Apple and Android. So just so you know that this is all legit. I know it's legit. I've seen many of my friends; they've all done it. The person you're about to see in the video, who has kindly let me use their Amuse account, has let me shown what their music is and how it's released and everything. But some stuff is going to be limited because it's all confidential for them. But I myself have released music on Amuse as well, but sadly I've forgotten my login, so I forgot it, and I was going to make this video today, but it's a hassle to call them because of coronavirus, and they're not take a very long time to reply, especially since I don't have Pro. Forget about that though. We have a person today. That's very nice of them to let us use it. One of our subscribers, actually. So before we get started, please subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it, and turn on those post notifications. Alright, so since you've done that, let's get right into the video. So Amuse is a free music distribution service. Basically, it lets you keep 100% of your rights, and it's a pretty professional thing. They send you an email back. Like if you have Pro, they'll send it back to you within about 24 hours. If you don't have Pro, they send it like maybe 3 or 4 days. They're gonna send you an email. Pretty fast support, especially during the COVID-19 times. So that's a pretty big perk Amuse has, is that they have nice customer service, and I enjoy their customer service. So that's one of the reasons why, if you're wondering, why can't you just send them an email and say you forgot your password? Well, it takes some time for them to send it back. I need to get this video out soon because DJ Suit said he didn't want us to keep his account for so long because he wants to change everything. Alright, so did you know independent artists are one of the fastest growing revenue sectors in the music industry? The time of labels is gone. So yeah, you can put music on TikTok and Instagram if you get the Pro version. So there's a lot of perks to the Pro version, but honestly, we're not going to be talking about that today. But Pro is a pretty nice feature, but I honestly don't think it's worth it unless you just want YouTube Content ID. But at the end of the day, it's not worth it at all. But if you're going free, you might as well go 100% free. But that's all up to you guys. And let's continue through the video. The website, I mean. Split royalties automatically. I don't know why. That's a pretty weird glitch they have there, right? But I mean, so let's see what it says. So they're basically saying you can split between, if you, your friend, and your mom all have like a share, like investors, right? And they have like a share in your music. So like one of them owns 20%, you own 50% as the majority holder, and the other one owns 30%. You can make the splits between all your music by using split royalties. So they get 50, I mean you get 50, they get 30, the other one gets 20. Just like that. It's a pretty nice feature to have. So let's keep going. So here you can see get the team on board. So you can invite your manager and your other artists to collab with you. So all your artist profiles can go on an account, but you need to have Pro to be everyone to be in your account. But Pro is pretty cheap, guys. It's $5, not too much and not too little. It's a pretty solid price, but most people are not going to need it, and most people using Amuse don't have a manager, producer, or collaborators. But it's a pretty nice feature to have, an option if you ever need it. So getting your music out free is easy with Amuse. Release and distribute all your music to all major music services and get discovered by our record label, or boost your independent career by upgrading to Pro. This is pretty much Amuse's main bio, their slogan. That's basically what Amuse stands for. So there it says music everywhere. So these are the stores you can see. You got Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music. This all comes free, guys. Standard with the free subscription. Amazon Music, Tidal. See all stores. So here you can see you got Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Amazon Music, Deezer, Napster, Google Music, Shazam, and YouTube Music. These are all the free services they're going to post your music on, guaranteed, if you follow all their instructions. We can make an instruction video how to post on Amuse, but if you want me to make a video about how to post on Amuse, the process of adding your songs, the cover art, all of that, I can make a whole video about that if you would like. This video cannot go into that detail because I don't have my login. Is still getting sent to the Amuse people to send them back. I think it's a little bit slower customer service, but that's what you get for free, right? So yeah, it's gonna take a little bit, but if you guys want, I can make a video about how the Amuse login, like how to put your songs on, how to specify splits, everything internally. I can do that all for you guys. How to release an album, and etc. So please leave a comment below and like the video. If this video gets I'll decide in my next video. However many likes this gets, we might be able to do another video, but I need people actually wanting to see it, because that video is going to take a lot of hard work, and it's not going to be easy to show how to add the songs and everything, because obviously it'll take a while to add songs and splits and everything. But I can make a video, guys, don't worry about that. Just be sure to like the video and subscribe, so I know that people actually want to see it. So we're back on the home page again. This is an Amuse artist quote. We don't know if this is true or not, but this is what they say. I'm going to pause the video here and see it. By the way, I'm going to link this video, this website in the description, so you guys can check it out yourself. So here's the news. So here you can press on certain things to see all stories. Yes, you powered by Amuse. So you guys can watch this video. I'll put everything in the description. And here's the artist. You can see Adele, one of Sweden's most exciting rapper, Marlene Oak. Some pretty famous artists around the world. But don't take our word for it. See what big name publications have said about us. Billboard, Wired, TechCrunch, Forbes, Music Business Worldwide, and Musical.ly, which I think now is basically TikTok. But alright, so yeah. So I'm going to scroll back up to the top, guys, before we hop right into the internal. Please leave any questions below and anything you'd like to say. I hope this video does well. Took some time to contact the DJ Suit, who is kindly allowing us to use his Amuse account. So okay, now let's go to DJ Amuse's account. So, alright, we're here on DJ Amuse's account. Alright, on DJ Amuse's account, we can see that this is what the inside looks like. You can press this to view your album release details. He told me he wanted to keep all of this private until the music goes out and everything. He doesn't want people to know who's splitting music with him and everything. I totally understand that. Privacy is a lot in the music business, especially for someone whose name is anonymous. He told me he likes to be anonymous because he doesn't want people to he doesn't want the fame. He just wants to put good music out there. That's a pretty noble thing DJ Suit did. But yeah, so basically you can see you have it'll tell you if it's an album, an EP, or a single up here, right over your title track name. Here you can see the release date. You can see these are all your releases. After a release has been live for more than 45 days, it will no longer be displayed here and be displayed in a tab called My Music. Alright, so guys, please stream Ground Shake by DJ Suit. It was very, very nice of him to allow us to use his personal Amuse account, and that is a very, 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 very nice thing he's done. Let's go over to the My Music tab. He currently doesn't have any music released, but if he did have any music released 45 days after the initial release date, it would all show up here, where you can press it, edit it, do all kinds of sorts of things to it. But I'm pretty sure the splits and artist names and stuff all stay the same. And I'm not going to go into the artist tab, but the artist tab basically has all his information, his birthday, his credit card, like PayPal, is everything is going to be in there. and I'm $10 cash out for Amuse. So you have to first make $10 worth of streams, then you can finally cash out. But until then, you're not going to be able to. When you're catching it of Amuse, they're not going to pay the fees. You're going to have to pay the fees. So if it's $10 and it's a 10% PayPal fee, I don't know if that's real or not, but let's say it's 10%, you're going to have to pay $1 in fees, and you're only be able to take $9 home. So let's go over to the Pro page. So here we can press the Pro page. So here you can see the perks of Pros. Pro basically gets scheduled releases, fast lane releases, custom label name, multi-artist profiles, royalty splits, music on Instagram, music on TikTok, YouTube content, team members, and fast lane support. Maybe perhaps the only thing that's really important is YouTube content ID, because unless you're making lots of money, royalty splits aren't going to be needed because they can just pay the money themselves to the other people in the group physically without having to actually make the royalty splits. Okay, so I'm pretty much going to wrap the video here. I can make a more in-depth tutorial about this. I just did a surface level thing, what Amuse is, the streaming profiles it offers. In my opinion, you guys should do it. You should you should be use Amuse as your free music distributor until you get big, obviously. Then you can terminate your contract with them. It's not a real contract, guys. Well, it kind of is, but not really. But I think that we're gonna wrap up the video here. Please subscribe, like this video, turn on those post notification bells, and stream my look at my other videos, guys. I have some pretty good quality content on my other videos. Please subscribe, guys. We're so close to 10 subscribers. It's been a long journey, guys. 11, almost 12 videos now, and we're almost at 10 subscribers, guys. 10 subscribers. Please subscribe to my video. Maybe even after this video, you can get 20 subs. Please subscribe, guys, and thank you for watching. Check it out.